Hello guys, welcome back to another Sydney Aviation video. I'm here at Elwood for part 11. Just going to be recording some planes taking off overhead as well as a couple of kilometers in the distance. So without further ado, sit back and enjoy. Here we've got a A320-232 Jetstar Airlines taking off from Sydney to Hobart. JQ 749 and the time is 6:30 AM. That was a Havens Canada -8 Q300 Qantas taking off from Sydney to Dubbo, Q of 2040 and the time is 6:50 AM. Here we've got a SAAB 340B Rex Regional Express Airline taking off from Sydney to Dubbo, ZL 852 and the time is 6:59 AM. That was a Boeing 717.2 K9 Qantas Airlines taking off from Sydney to Canberra, QF 1501 and the time is 8:35. Here we've got a SAAB 340B Rex Regional Express Airline taking off from Sydney to Albury, ZL 869 and the time is 9:15 AM. We now have got another Boeing 737.838 Virgin Australia Airlines taking off from Sydney to Adelaide, VA 412 and the time is 9:37 AM. Now we've got a 8030 303 Qantas Airlines taking off from Sydney to Melbourne, QF 7323 and the time is 9:39 AM. We now have got a Boeing 717.2 K9 Qantas Airlines taking off from Sydney to Hobart, QF 1583 and the time is 9:43 AM. Now we've got a Boeing 737.838 Qantas Airlines taking off from Sydney to Adelaide, QF 735 and the time is 9:45 AM. Here we've got a Platypus PC-12 taking off from Sydney to Bankstown, PC 244. We now have got a Havilland Canada-8Q300 Qantas taking off from Sydney to Wagga, QF 2207 and the time is 3:35 PM. That is the first time I've ever seen a Boeing 77.838 Qantas Airlines taking off from Sydney to Adelaide ever take off going there to there, because there is actually a severe thunderstorm in its normal routine. That is QF 743 and the time is 5 o'clock PM. I have never ever seen that. Now we've got a Havilland's Canada -AQ 400 Qantas Inc taking off from Sydney to Canberra, QF 445 and the time is 5:02 PM. My apologies, I ended the video by accident. That is a A330-343 Air China Airlines taking off from Sydney to Shenzhen. Once again, that is a pretty rare takeoff of it doing a pretty sharp turn instead of it going straight out because of a severe thunderstorm down there. That is CA 612 and the time is 5:21 PM.